What's good, guys? Today was good. Today was good. Made about like 120 off the markets. I traded EJ and Nasdaq today. Let's get on this trade recap. So yeah, this was your JPY. Started off at 8:30 markets open for New York session. I was on the 15-minute time frame. I marked out these highs, these lows as my liquidity, and this one as well. 'Cause I felt like it was really likely to get swept. So those are sell side liquidity, and I was marking here on my buy side for a possible reversal all the way here or the midpoint. So when I marked this out, went down to my 5 minutes, waiting for a very good reversal. This was really pumping, but it didn't break structure, so I waited a bit, and I went to 3 minutes, and it also didn't break structure on there as well. So there was no entry. Then back in my 5 minutes, kept on waiting for a break. This was kind of like a break. So I went to my 3 minutes to look if there was any smaller order block. And yeah, it presented itself right here. This broke through. I had an order placed right here. Had an order placed right there. And I risked little on this trade just because I got stopped out of my other trade on Nasdaq before I won, but I'll go over that. Anywho, yeah, put my stop loss right under there because this was the ending of the Fair Value gap. Then bottom I gone to and marked out tried to find the equilibrium point of this whole range from here, from here to here. So yeah, that's what I did. And then when I found this equilibrium, I was looking for the nearest fair value gap. I had the very strong feel I was going to keep selling. So I looked for the nearest fair value gap for me to take partials or take my full profit. So I set it up to here, this fair value gap right here. And as you can see, it came perfectly to my trade. Perfectly to my trade. Perfectly 0.5 of that fair value gap actually. Pretty solid, pretty textbook. Came perfect to my trade. Got a nice 2.7, Pretty good, pretty good. Then I got stopped out immediately. I mean, yeah, trade reversed on me immediately. So I guess I was kind of right. So you guys should always look for an equilibrium. I feel like I really follow my rules today. Like this is exactly what my trading strategy is. I followed it to the T. And this 0.5, finding the premium price to sell never fails me. So you guys should, I guess, take that to accountability when you're taking your own trades. Next, let's move on to EJ. To Nasdaq, sorry, Nas 100. So yeah, on the 15-minute time frame, I marked out my 830 price, waited for this price to retrace to be broken into. I knew there were going to be retracements on this resistance zone. We're looking for the sell. So I was hoping for this liquidity sweep, and which it did. Shot both actually. Then I went back to the 5 minutes, waited for a break of structure. I actually started looking for a break of structure within this candle because it engulfed this bullish candle. So I went to 3 minutes actually. Then while I was on the 3 minutes, I took a trade around here. This was my first losing trade. Let me show you. I think it was at the 1 minute I took that trade on. Yeah, it was 1 minute. So when I saw this real move, I was like, oh shit, for sure I'm entering here. So I entered right here. Put my stop loss all the way here actually, and got stopped out. But I still had a very strong feeling that it was going to go bearish because I was following my strategy to the T. And this was meant to be my first take profit. That's why I'm seeing this here. Then waited some more minutes. Market decided to create another opportunity for me with these three bearish candles that form this nice, beautiful value gap right here. I actually entered right on this order block. This candle open right on that order block. So I entered, put my stop loss there. And I, in fact, did not. This is meant to be below the zero point 0.5 level, as you can see, this is my equilibrium. But I actually didn't aim here. I aimed all the way down to this liquidity because of news. Because when this candle pushed through like this, I just moved it down all the way. And I got a nice 4.3, which gave me my $100 trade today. So that was my trade recap. Very good day, not gonna lie. Followed my trade to the T. I had a gut feeling to remove my take profit when I got here, but I felt the greed speaking to me in my ears. I just said, nah, I'm taking my profits and I'm out of the market. So once I got here, I dipped immediately, bro. I'm trying to pass this account, man. It's not a race, it's a marathon. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. Hopefully get a good sell tomorrow, and yeah, let's see what happens.